Hello everyone, welcome to my home office review. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Cindy, and on this channel I share some home decor, home organization, some cook with me, and of course some DIYs. This is my home office review. There's two videos on this channel sharing how we got our cabinets, how we paint them, how I did the trim work throughout the entire room, and of course how we did this beautiful gallery wall, how to add artwork on your walls in an easy and quick way. And today I'm so excited to say that I partnered with Homery to complete this room makeover. If you're not familiar with Homery, it's an online furniture store that offers a wide range of modern furniture and home decor products. Can't wait to show you up close the desk and lounge chairs for this space. Here I'm showing you their online website. They're always running a lot of sales. I highly recommend it if you're looking for high quality pieces for your home. I will give you all the details later on in the video. So let's get started. Let's recap part 1 and 2 of this room makeover. This is one of the first spaces that you see when you come into our home. So I knew I wanted a formal home office one day, and I found 4 beautiful cabinets from Facebook Marketplace at an incredible price. We brought it home and I immediately started priming it. This was definitely a labor of love. I will leave the link to these videos down below in case you want to see the process and no products used. Next, headed to Home Depot to choose some paint colors. I brought 2 paint samples home so I can try it on the walls and really decide. I really recommend this to do so because the paint could be quite different in the can and in different rooms of your home. And I chose Roman Plaster by Behr in an eggshell finish. Next, to add character to the walls, I installed picture frame molding and it elevated the look of this room. There are many different styles. No matter which one you choose, it definitely adds texture and charm to any room of your home. One of the focal points of this room is my gallery wall. Love the modern minimalist style of these picture frames, and seeing pictures of my family brings me so much joy. I will leave everything listed down below in the description box. Lastly, to complete this wall, I added rechargeable picture lights. No need to hardwire. It's a beautiful brass finish. It brings a remote control and they are dimmable. For our window treatments, I went for a linen fabric in this gorgeous oatmeal color. These drapes are semi-sheer, providing a nice warm light during the day and privacy at night. Luxurious drapes on a budget. And now to ground the space, we need a rug. This is an 8x10 modern area rug by Xoxo. It has shades of grays and creams and is the ideal size for the space. In a home office, one of the most important pieces in the room is a desk, and having a design in place, understanding what your needs are will help you identify the size, shape, and type of desk you need in your space. I wanted something not too bulky, spacious, and definitely modern. This is where Homery comes into play. This is their Japandi oval extendable dining table. Yes, you can use a dining table as a desk as well, so don't limit yourself or compromise your design. Love the fluted modern design made of high density wood with a durable waterproof surface, scratch resistant, and can be easily cleaned with a wet cloth. Another great feature is its smooth round corners. Design prevents scratches and most importantly is safe for the elderly and children. As a mom, that is 100% approved. Installation was a breeze. I only needed to screw the legs as you saw me here. It's solid wood, you guys, so you can imagine how heavy it is. This is me trying to be superwoman. This is definitely a 2-person job. I didn't give up, I couldn't resist, but this is not the proper way to do it. But I was so happy to see this beauty in all its glory. This well-designed table is functional with the butterfly leaf. I can easily transform this 6-seater to sit 8, and I can see myself and hubby helping our girls with homework and school projects. This table from homeaway.com is 79 inches long in a whitewash finish. It's also available in black, white, and walnut. It arrived in only a few days, well packed, and the quality and finish exceeded my expectations. Check the description box because I will be linking the Homeaway website along with my code to get a 10% discount across their website. I wanted to create a sitting area, and I chose 2 lounge Aztec chairs from homeaway.com. These were very easy to assemble as well. This is the Japandi black rattan and wood lounge chair, also available in walnut and natural. This beauty is made with premium Ashford. It's a heavy, well-made chair with a reliable weight capacity, perfect for long-term use. Its ergonomic seating design is perfect to match the curve of back and waist, producing a softer contouring feel without losing any support. It has a breathable handmade rattan. What's not to love about this chair? I wanted a piece that had a modern, natural, and rustic feel to add some contrast to some other materials in the room. This chair did not disappoint. It's comfortable, very stylish, and great quality. Again, don't forget to check the description box for links and discount codes. Thank you again to Homeaway for sending these stunning furnitures and making my vision come to life. Moving on to accent pieces, this gorgeous fluted side table with a marble top was what this corner needed to complement the lounge chairs. And lastly, to add life to the room and some greenery, I add this 6.5-foot olive tree. And as for bookshelf decor, I wanted to add pieces in neutrals like creams, black, whites, and a little bit of gray to pull up the grayish from the rug. So a lot of these pieces I had before, some books. This, I believe I bought it last summer at Ross. So affordable. It's a planter. $9.99, you guys. So we can find at Ross, HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, a lot of timeless pieces without breaking the bank. For our bookshelf handles, I found these stunning heavyweight brass knobs at Amazon at an incredible price. And for our desk chair, I decided to use my barrel chair from Target. This one is in the boucle material, so comfortable. And to style it, I added this gorgeous black and white floral print pillow cover. And here's the before and after of my home office makeover. Just like any other room in the home, your office should reflect your style. My goal was to make this office like a part of the home, especially having it in an open space. I created a personalized home office space that inspires me every day. Please let me know down in the comments, what do you think? Thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you to Homeaway for sending me these beautiful pieces that complemented and finished this space. Please follow me on Instagram at Inspirationbycp for daily content and lots of inspiration. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. God bless you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.